So here we have another question, Yameena, from our viewer who is saying that after getting a partial PGWP due to passport expiry, how can one apply for an extension? Is a tier O1 or selected 2 by 3 job required?
So, what has happened to this person is that they did not receive the full duration of the PGWP because their passport expired. So now they want the full duration of the PGWP. What I would argue in this situation is that the person should get the PGWP under the same conditions that were in force when they applied for the first PGWP and not under the updated conditions. Okay. So I would write a really long letter to RCC explaining that when my client applied for the initial PGWP, a tier 01 or select tier 2 or 3 job was not required, and my client is applying for an extension because of the passport issue and the new eligibility requirements should not apply to them, and hopefully I would be successful. It's really important in this type of situation where we're dealing with a very complicated nuanced change in the law, and you're asking the officer to rule on what the law was before, to clearly explain what the law was and how it applies to your situation, because officers are, some of them are well trained, but many of them are not. So you don't want to get caught in a situation where they apply the new rules to you and you don't receive the PGWP.
Yeah, that's right. That's very well put up. Thank you so much, Yameena, for your answer. And friends, in case if you're facing any complexities in your Canada immigration journey, then go ahead and reach out to attorney Yameena Ansari. She would love to help you out, and you just have to visit this link and get her contact details.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.